Yesterday was a fail. I give it to you guys. Ooh. Sometimes when I wake up for suhoor, do you think I don't want to just walk down to my my kitchen, make my suhoor, eat my suhoor with you?
Subscribe by this.
Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum guys, it's currently Ramadan day 10. Today I'm showing you my life as a fasting breastfeeding mom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is rasheedahyinusa. I believe you guys have been enjoying the Ramadan content. Alhamdulillah. How's Ramadan going with you? Particularly for my moms, for my pregnant moms, for my postpartum moms. How is fasting going with you if you're fasting? And if you're not fasting, how are you as well? You guys, I want to quickly prepare milk for my daughter. That still sounds ooh. So my baby has been on exclusive breastfeeding for some months now, and I have observed that since I started Ramadan, I was good in the first 7 days. The milk will usually be enough for her. So I'm doing 60 ml because I'm still on a trial. I made 120 ml yesterday and she didn't take it. She didn't enjoy it. So I'm just going to keep repeating it for the next 60 ml few days until she gets used to it, because she has to get used to taking this milk, because I'm going back to school very soon, inshallah. I think at this point I'm done with my maternity leave. So if I'm going to be dropping her at the crèche on days when I need to go to school, then she would have to be on this. Plus, I am really lucky this time. I have not done any exclusive breastfeeding for any of my baby, so it's a privilege. It's Allah's mercy that I would be able to exclusively breastfeed her this time around. Not because I choose not to do exclusive breastfeeding, but because I usually don't have sufficient milk. I don't lactate as much as I would want to, but this time, even before pregnancy, I've shared that I took some lactation granules that did help me. I started taking it about 7 months, so alhamdulillah. Not like I wouldn't still want to continue with her, but I have to start preparing my mind. I was actually thinking I should move it to the end of Ramadan, but I've noticed that by the evening I'm talking. So I'm just going to do 1 scoop. The instruction says if I'm doing 180 ml, sorry, so 180 ml divided by 6, that's 30. So that means I have to do 2 scoops. Since I have 60 ml of water here, I'm just going to take 2 2 scoops of this. Yesterday was a fail. I don't know what will happen today, but I'll keep trying. I know that once they start enjoying breast milk, it's difficult to put them on this formula, but this is the first time I'm experiencing them, because my other babies, my boys, I always start with formula right from get-go, or maybe like a week I will just do I'll just breastfeed them for a week, then I'll do mixed feeding. I usually do mixed feeding, so this is the time I have successfully breastfed a baby for months. Alhamdulillah, we're grateful. So I'm just going to let this cool down while I go and start on my iftar. And another thing I wanted to rant about, one of my goals also on my Instagram, because this year we're taking our content creation seriously. If you noticed on my YouTube channel, I've been at least consistent, considering that I have a baby. I've been pushing myself hard. And Instagram, I wanted to do that, but this electricity distribution company, man, content creator is in Nigeria. I give it to you guys. Ooh. Sometimes when I wake up for suhoor, do you think I don't want to just walk down to my my kitchen, make my suhoor, eat my suhoor with you? I want to do that sometimes, but you see, this electricity distribution company, they will fail you. They failed me on several occasions, but it is what it is. Enough of talking. Let's feed. No, I still need this to cool down. When it's done, I'll feed baby. This is almost 9 o'clock and I'm just having my iftar. I'm just genuinely tired today. I am tired. It's day 10. I can't explain how tired I am. Let's see what we're having. I'm having plantain with vegetables and fish. I'm so exhausted that Bismillah. You know when you're, I don't know how to explain, when you're just tired as a mom. I'm just sometimes tired as a mom, but I have to force myself to at least eat something so that I can be high on milk supply again, so that we can get something to feed, so that baby can get something to eat at night. Is this a mukbang? Mukbang 20:59. It's almost 9 o'clock. That's 8:59. I don't know. I hope I can at least eat this one because baby girl needs to feed well at night. If you can hear noise here and there, the boys are still, they are not asleep yet. But I just had to come and, I had to come and hide here. Give me my bottle. Oh my god. You finally. You can go, you guys can go now. Thank you.
Why?
Please, I just want to have I want to have the time to myself. Please shut the door. Gently, close it gently. Yes, it is.
You like it here? Come on! Yeah! Oh, don't advise me! Sorry. I wonder what this. What is this? Also, I wonder what this was.
Sorry, please lay this bed properly.
Okay.
Nobody get down.
I want to see my view. Let me see
No,
my
you can't see Nobby from there. Don't go there. Don't go there. Come here. Come to this place. We're done with our vaccination today. Oh my god, guys, you should be familiar with this place at this point in time because it's almost seems like you come here every week. Today I just hope that my baby came for a 14 weeks vaccination in terms of stress, I still don't feel stressed. I almost didn't fast today because I thought I was going to be stressed, but I could still manage through. Even though baby's a little cranky, I'm just going to stop by at my friend's place. I need to quickly drop something off and we go home from there. Somebody's looking at me. Oh, it's looking at me, but it's okay. For iftar today we are having air fried potatoes with chicken. I made this is not ketchup, this is a smoothie, and I have my water here. Bismillah. Bilal and Nabil. I can definitely feel the mango. So here I have beetroot, avocado, mango, and cucumber. This is good. It's day 11 today and I feel better compared to yesterday. I don't know, I think it's just stress from the weekend. But today I feel really good, considering the fact that I even took my baby for vaccination today. Please close the door, please, Nobby. These boys are just coming in between. It's not easy, your mother of boys. Ali's with us. She took 3 injections, 2 on her right thigh, 2 on her right thigh and 1 on her left thigh, then 2 oral vaccination as well. It's not easy on babies. Guys, are you pro vaccination or you don't really care about vaccination? If you take vaccination, what type of vaccination do you take in your country? For us, we take Penta, we take OPV, we take vaccination to prevent poliomyelitis, we take vaccination to prevent pneumonia, measles, and a host of other diseases.
That's not your. Can I drink it?
You can have a taste.
It's not big. Mama, I like calling my own.
Subhanallah.
Nabi is the good boy. I'll do all my dad.
Nabi, you can go now. That's okay. They sing. You say bye.
Bye.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe like this.
Okay, bye. Where you leave there?
It's time to go. It's time to come.
No, it's time to go.
We are playing this down. I'm trying to know where to find it.
Well, shut the door, please. So those are some of the vaccines that they administer, and when we get home, we are encouraged to do water therapy on our babies. So water therapy is you put the baby's thigh, that's the site of the injection, under running water for 2 minutes every 30 minutes. It's just to calm the temperature because it's not easy. It's not even funny at all. Baby is not to talk of. So they take this at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks. My baby is currently 14 weeks old. You see that? Alhamdulillah. No, Bilal did not come here. I say people should not come here. Bilal.
Nobody's looking for the thing that I did.
Not here.
It's not here. Did I come here?
No.
It's good.
Please shut the door, please.
Don't like. Please shut the door, please.
Man, it's a loss. How many? I think it's about time to go. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm eating for iftar today. And I'm carrying you guys along. So I'll see you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye, guys.